Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and I am happy to see your positive responses to my videos. So today we are going to continue our chapter Inside My Body. So in the previous session we learned about the external parts and our sense organs. And today we are going to learn about the internal parts of our body and their functions. Okay kids, now we are going to revise our previous session and after that we will continue our chapter Inside Our Body. So in a previous session we learned about that we have two type of organs. The first are external organs that are outside our body and we can see them, and second ones are internal organs that are inside our body and we cannot see them. So today we will discuss about all our internal organs and their functions. Do you remember what are the functions of your hand and arm? Hand and arm help us to write, lift the things, push and pull, and touch the things. Our hands help us to do all these things. After that, we learn about the functions of foot and leg. Do you remember the functions of foot and leg? And functions of foot and legs are walk, run, stand and jump. We can do all these things with our foot and legs. After that, we learn about the functions of our sense organs. We have five sense organs. First is eyes. Our eyes help us to see the things around us. Second is ears. Our ears help us to hear the different type of sounds. Third is nose. Our nose help us to smell. Fourth is tongue. Do you remember the function of your tongue? Our tongue help us to taste. And the fifth is skin. Our skin help us to feel the things, whether it is hot or cold. So these are our five sense organs. Okay kids, now let's talk about our internal organs and their functions. So our first internal organ is our brain. So brain is inside our head. So where is the brain located? Brain is located inside our head. Here you can see the picture of your brain, that how it looks from inside. It is the thinking organ. Our body does what our brain tells it to do. Do you know how your brain works? Your brain collect all the informations from your surroundings and tell your body to what to do. Our five sense organs tells the information to our brain and our brain reacts according to that information. So for our eyes tells our brain that what they see, and our ears tell our brain what they hear, and what our nose tells our brain that what it smells, and our tongue tells our brain that how what it tastes, and our skin tells our brain that how it feels. So brain uses all this information and tells our body what to do. Now I will give you one example. For example, if you're crossing a road and then a vehicle comes, then you stop there, right? Then why do you stop? Because your eyes tells your brain that a vehicle is coming, and so your brain reacts according to that and instruct you that it is not safe to cross the road right now. And after the vehicle has gone, then your eyes tells your brain that the vehicle has gone. Then your brain will instruct you that now it is safe to cross the road. So this is how your brain collect the information from your senses and instruct your body what to do. So kids, this is the function of our brain, that it tells our body what to do. And where it is located? It is located inside our head. Okay kids, now let's talk about our second internal organ, and that is heart. heart is inside our chest. So where is the heart located? Heart is located inside our chest. Here you can see the picture of your heart, that how it looks from inside. So the heart beats all the time. So if you touch the left part of your chest and concentrate, then you can feel the beating of your heart, and pumps blood to all parts of the body. So you know that we have blood in our body. So how it reaches to our body parts? It so because of the pumping, and because pumping of the blood by the heart, the blood reaches to all our body parts. So where is the heart located? Heart is located inside our chest. Now let's learn about our third internal organ, and that is lungs. A pair of lungs is present inside the chest. So where is the lungs located? The lungs are located inside our chest, and we have two lungs in our body, the right lung and the left lung. They are air-filled bags which help us to breathe. So what is the function of our lungs? It helps us to breathe. Like you breathe in and you breathe out. Then how are you doing this? You are doing this because of the lungs. Here you can see the picture of your lungs. And where is the lungs located? Lungs are located inside your chest. Okay kids, now let's talk about the next internal organ, and that is stomach. Here you can see in the pictures, that is your stomach, and it is located inside your belly. Okay, we eat food from the mouth and it goes into our belly. So when we eat food, then you can see this pipe. Through this food pipe, the food goes into your stomach. So after the food has gone into your stomach will break your food into small parts, and after that the stomach will digest your food. So what is the function of your stomach? The function of your stomach is digesting your food. So tell me one thing, when you eat food, after then you feel energized, right? So this is the basic function of your stomach, that it converts your food into the energy. Okay kids, now let's talk about bones and muscles. Here you can see the two pictures. The first picture is of a human skeleton. What is a human skeleton? The framework of bones is called human skeleton. It gives shapes and support to your body, and it also protects the inner parts of your body. Okay, so this is how a human skeleton look like, and we have 206 bones in our body, and a human baby have more than 300 bones in their body, but when they grow up, their bones join together. So our bones help us to move, and it gives the body a structure, and gives our body a structure. And in the second figure, you can see our muscle structures. Our bones are covered with our muscles, and they are soft and they help us to move our bones. We have more than 600 muscles in our body. So the bones and muscles of our body work together, and they help us to move, work, and play. And to make our bones and muscles strong, we need to do regular exercise, and we need to eat healthy food like milk, fruit, vegetables. Strong muscles and bones allow us to work and play without getting tired.
Hello kids, now we are going to do an experiment so that you can learn how our senses and our brain works coordinately and instruct our body what to do. So as you can see, I am filling this glass with water, and when the glass is about to fill, then I stopped here. Can you tell me why I stopped here? because my eye, when the glass was about to fill, then my eyes tells my brain that the glass is about to fill. Then my brains quickly respond to that and instruct my hand to stop there. Otherwise, if I keep filling the glass, then the water will spill. So this is how you can see how my eyes and my hands are connected with my brain. Our brains tells our body parts what to do, what to not, what is right and what is wrong. Okay kids, now we are going to do another experiment so that you can learn even better that how our senses and our brain works coordinately. This is a glass of hot water, okay? So as you can see, I dip my finger in the hot water, then I suddenly pulled it out. Then why I pull it out? Because when I dip my finger in the hot water, then my skin tells my brain that it feels hot. After that, my brain respond to that and instruct my finger to pull it out. Or otherwise, if I keep dipping my finger in the hot water, then it will burn. So kids, this is how our senses and our brain works coordinately and instruct our body to what to do. I hope you have understood this concept clearly. So kids, this was just an experiment to make you understand that how this concept works. So do not try this experiment at home with hot water. Okay, so have a great day. See you next time. Bye bye.